Hello dear students. As you know, most of the students face problem while running HTML program. So in this video I am going to guide you the brief introduction about how can we run the HTML program. As you know, for writing the HTML program we have to use the notepad. Okay, we have to use the editor, that is notepad. Firstly open the notepad. I have opened, then run the program. For example, write HTML. Okay, then close this HTML tag. Okay, then inside HTML write the title tag. Okay, for giving title, then give any title. Then there is a head tag. Okay, inside head we need inside head insert the title tag. Give any title. Run program. I am giving title run program. Then close this title tag. Okay, now after that body, we know the content which we want to display, we have to write inside the body. Okay, then I want to display heading. Okay, that's why I'm using h1 tag for displaying the heading. Okay, now heading is steps to run program. Okay, now close this h1 tag, this one. Okay, then close the body tag. Okay, which tags you will open, then you have to close that particular tag. Then after that save this file. Okay, go to save as, then save this file. I am going to save on desktop. Okay, select where you want to save. Okay, then write the name of the program. That is, I am giving name run. Okay, now you have to use the extension .html. This is the very necessary step. Okay, you have to use this extension while saving the file. Then click the save. Okay, when you save the file, see then what will happen. This run, this is your file. Your file will show you like a browser. Then open this file. This is the header, steps to run program, and this is a title run program. Okay, now if I want to write the paragraph, then how can we write the paragraph? Add another tag inside the body tag. Then I am going to add the paragraph, then write the steps, and first step is open notepad. Okay, now I want break here, then you have to write the for break. Okay, with this your line text will appear in the next line. Okay, then after writing save your file with extension .html. Okay, these are the steps. Then we have to close this paragraph tag and close this paragraph tag. Okay, then save this. Okay, then I am going to refresh this. Then see, these two steps are also displayed on your program. Okay, thank you.